Here's a maths resource called Kip ar Fathemateg for you to use at home to develop and revise your math skills. So to gain access to Kip ar Fathemateg, you simply search for it through your search engines. So you're on Google, so Kip ar Fathemateg, so it comes up there. And then it is the first one on the top there. So it's Kip ar Fathemateg or Maths Spying, which has been funded by the Welsh Government. So here's the actual first page. Maths Spying, Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3. On the top right hand corner we have the letter C, which then, if you click on that, will transfer it into the Welsh language, or the E of C vice versa into the English language. So if we go into Key Stage 2 is for your years 3 up to year 6. And what we come to is the 4 areas of maths, the 4 strands. So developing numerical reasoning, using number skills, using measuring skills, using data skills. So if we click on using number skills for an example, here are the different elements within using number skills. So number facts, relationship, fractions, decimals, mental and written methods, estimate and check, and managing money. So if we click onto the first one, number facts and relationship, this will take you to different year groups. So you have the option of year 3, 4, 5 and 6. Obviously you'd click on the appropriate age group. So if we go into year 3, and here we have the skills within this strand of number facts and relationships. So we have multiply and divide numbers by 10 and 100, reading and writing numbers, the thousands and 10,000. Mental strategies, compare and estimate, and recalling then multiplication tables. So if we click on to multiply and divide numbers by 10 and 100, what you'll come to is a video. So you simply just click play, and that will introduce the skill and show you ways then of calculating. So, and then if you scroll down, you have the interactive worksheet. Now the worksheet is interactive, like I said, and you just click and type in your answers once you've calculated your answers. And if you scroll right around to the bottom after you've completed the answer, the questions, then you have the options of transferring to a PDF, checking your answers interactively. Okay, so if you click on the green icon there, that will mark the work if you're incorrect and show you correct answers, and give you a mark out of the number of questions. The blue button is a refresh button, so you simply click on that to refresh the page to delete your answers then. So if we go back to the PDF, this is handy if you want to print out the page at home, okay, and to do it on paper. So you simply click on it, and that will download into your downloads files, or my computer here, down to the bottom of the page. Now this is handy also if you wish to transfer it into your J2E5. Some of you have been doing that already with some of your work to show to your teachers what you've been doing at home. So the way you do this is you obviously go into your hub, into J2 Launch, into My Files, the failure. Now with me, that's all I need to do then, okay, is drag it into my hub from the bottom. So if it's gone into your downloads file, you can drag that to your desktop and then into your files then. So once it's uploaded into your file, as it's doing here into my file, it will show up as a PDF. And then, as you remember, you click on the green icon to transfer it into your J2E5. So here it's in Welsh, driven on J2E5 or using J2E5. Click on that, and then that will take you to that page and upload the actual questions from the work on Kip ar Fathemateg or Maths Spying, and then you've got the whole page here for you. So then simply just click on the icons, okay, to calculate your answers and to write your answers next to the questions. With some, you might have more than one page, so you might want to turn the page at the bottom of the J2E5 page. And then obviously once you've done your answers, calculated them, you can go and take your usual route of saving your work and dragging it into your file. And that's it.